Our two football teams are very proudly singing their country's national anthem before entering the match. Dream. Oh my God! The kitten drew graffiti on the man's expensive car.
Don't draw on my car anymore. Go now.
I'm sorry, Uncle. I won't draw on your car anymore.
The man did not forgive the kitten, but took the kitten home and told his mother.
Please forgive my child.
She threw away all of her kitten's crayons. But the kitten never gave up his dream of drawing. He picked up the crayons in the trash and continued to draw.
I drew the angry man just now. I drew my mother when she was angry and yelled at me. And this is when my mother cried and hugged me lovingly. My mother is so beautiful.
By everyone, and the TV station came to film the kitten. Oh, what's going on?
Oh, sorry, kitten. Mommy, this is the money I earned.
Angry Dog said, "How dare you touch my laptop? You have no right to touch it." The kitten apologized to the dog very much for this mistake. The dog shouted, "Now clean your dirty footprints." The dog took the laptop and said, "Goodbye, honey, I have to go to work." The dog's wife replied while wearing flashy makeup, "Okay, honey, see you soon." Then she shouted, "Servant kitten, come here quickly." The kitten ran upstairs, but suddenly it slipped and was injured, lying on the floor in pain. Even though he was in pain, the kitten still ran quickly to listen to his wife dog instructions. The dog's wife pointed to the window and said, "So why are those windows so dirty? Clean them now, servant!" The kitten began to grab the towel and wipe the window diligently. The dog's wife suddenly angrily shouted, "Stop wasting all day cleaning those windows! Go clean everything else!" The sad kitten wiped her tears and diligently cleaned the house. The kitten was cooking in the kitchen when he remembered the good memories with his father before he accidentally strayed away from home. dog drive car by, and the kitten happily raised his hand to greet him. The dog was scolding the kitten when a luxury car passed by. It turned out to be the kitten's father. The kitten recognized his father. He chased him and kept calling him.
Dad! Dad!
The car passed by very fast, but the kitten still tried to chase it all the way to the house.
Dad! Dad!
The father cat and kitten touchingly hugged each other after a long day of separation. At this time, the dog tried to explain and flatter the kitten, but the kitten told his father all the evil deeds the dog and his wife had done to him. Dad cat was very angry and immediately drove to the dog's house to clarify. The father cat angrily looked at the kitten's shabby place and talked to the dog, but the dog's wife ferociously cursed the kitten's father. Dad cat decided to call the police so that the dog couple would pay for my evil.
Wow! The school is beautiful! Going to school is great! Hello, friends!
The kitten happily greeted his classmates on the first day of school, but their friends made fun of him because he was poor. And this is the kitten's father who has to pick up litter to make money, but still tries to send the kitten to school. Wow! It turns out that Dad Cat came up with a game to buy lottery tickets so the kitten can be rich.
Oh my god, can you believe it? I won the top prize in the lottery.
Dad Cat has received a lot of money, but the kitten is still being bullied at school. Car that the father cat had just bought, and he came to pick up the kitten after school. The kitten was even more surprised and happy when his father gave him a giant mansion. This little cat is often ridiculed by people because of its skinny body.
Hello, you two!
Look at that skinny cat.
The little cat has been very sad and haunted ever since the cat couple made fun of his skinny body. The little cat thought of going to the gym to improve his body and immediately went to the gym.
Come on, Mike! I can do it!
The little cat started trying hard to practice many different gym exercises.
Try your best! I can do it!
The little cat also started eating nutritious foods to improve his body. Wow! The little cat even wakes up very early to go to the park to exercise with everyone and play many healthy sports.
Wow! How wonderful!
mother cat and the police team went to the harbor to rescue the kitten. But only the kitten's backpack was left there.
I'm being taken to the harbor, Dad. Please save me.
That cruel mouse, pay your sins. Don't draw on my car anymore. Go now.
I'm sorry, Uncle. I won't draw on your car anymore.
The man did not forgive the kitten, but took the kitten home and told his mother.
Please forgive my child.
Angry about the compensation that she threw away all of her kitten's crayons. But the kitten never gave up his dream of drawing. He picked up the crayons in the trash and continued to draw.
I drew the angry man just now. I drew my mother when she was angry and yelled at me. And this is when my mother cried and hugged me lovingly. My mother is so beautiful.
Loved by everyone, and the TV station came to film the kitten.
Oh, what's going on? Oh, sorry, kitten. Mommy, this is the money I earned.
Mother cat is happily cooking breakfast for her two sleeping kittens.
It's time to get up. Wake up, kitten. Wake up right now.
The two kittens kept playing and refused to brush their teeth, so the mother cat had to threaten them and let them brush their teeth.
Kittens change clothes quickly. Kitten, hurry up. You're about to be late for school.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, kitten.
After preparing the two kittens for school, the mother cat was very tired.
Hurry up. We're about to be late for class.
The two kittens were sad because they were late for class and couldn't go to school.
Who is coming to my house at this hour?
Hi, Mom.